So the biggest topic of discussion in social and marketing at the moment is pretty much privacy.
It is.
Facebook, talk to me about what they're doing.
Facebook's a good one, isn't it? So their conference that they've just launched last week, their big banner was "The future is privacy."
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting? Facebook. Facebook are a real conundrum, I think, because they say that they're there to connect the world, to connect everyone up, but the reality of it is they're not. They're there to monetize your data. They're there to take as much information as they can and basically turn that into money. That is their business model. So I think there's some issues there between what they say their core values are and what they're trying to do for the world and what they're actually trying to do. Because what they're actually trying to do is just make as much money as possible out of raping and pillaging their users' data, basically.
Well, if you go back to Cambridge Analytica, you said to me about they lost a chunk of users.
Yeah, they reckon they lost around 13% of users in the US following the Cambridge Analytica. That's not entirely down to that, from what I understand. It's down to a number of other factors, including particularly the Trump election, how it was, so obviously that links into the Cambridge Analytica, but really how the platform was targeting and using people's information without their knowledge. And that's the key thing about this. Privacy needs to be down to the individual to choose how their data is being used and who's using it. And if a company's making money off the back of the data, is it not right that the consumer who provides the data should get some kind of benefit back in return? Good example of that one, actually, come back to the Cambridge Analytica scandal. The targeting that was being done by Cambridge Analytica, and it's not just them, there's hundreds of other companies doing it.
Yeah.
But one of the things that they were doing, apparently, was to target individuals for the Trump campaign based on what they were actually writing in their posts. So the example that
certain
was
trigger words.
Yeah, exactly that. And because he was predominantly going for Middle America white evangelist, they were specifically targeting racist words that were being used in posts. And when they found someone being racist, they then sent them out ads to try and promote
and they would
Donald
share
Trump.
it, they would disseminate it, and
would
away
then
you
get
go.
shared and disseminated, and away you go. Exactly that.